Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy instant gunpowder recipe. For that I am going to add one handful of curry leaves. First I am going to just wash all the curry leaves properly and then I am going to dry them in the shade for 30 minutes. So if you see now, I have washed the curry leaves and I am going to let it dry for 30 minutes. After this is done, in a kadai, I am going to add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Let the oil get hot. Now I am going to add urad dal 1 spoon, gram dal 1 spoon and red chilies 3. You can also add the chilies as per your preference. And now if you see, I am going to fry all these till it releases the aroma. The more the seasoning is fried properly, the more tastier the gunpowder will be. So fry the dal and the red chilies well. Make sure that you don't over fry it and burn it. After frying it well, I am going to add a pinch of tamarind to enhance the tanginess to the gunpowder. After frying the tamarind well for 3-4 seconds, I am going to switch off the flame and then I am going to add asafoetida powder 1/4 spoon. It's completely fine if you're not having the powder form of the asafoetida. You can also add the gum form when you are ready with the hot oil. And now if you see, the color of the dal and the red chilies have changed well. Now I'm going to keep that aside and I'm going to add the curry leaves which we have dried. We are going to roast the curry leaves till the curry leaves gets the crispy texture. So talking about the curry leaves, it has enriched with the goodness of nature and it is loaded with vitamin A, B, C and B12. Apart from that, these leaves are also a great source of iron and calcium. Moreover, adding curry leaves to your daily diet can prevent several deficiencies and strengthen your immunity naturally. It helps to strengthen the hair and the pitta doshas as well. This type of gunpowder that we are going to prepare can be used along with idli, dosa and for rice as well. In the rice we can add some ghee or gingerly oil and we can just have it a scoop of rice. Now after frying the curry leaves properly till it is crisp, I am going to add all these curry leaves to a mixer jar and I am going to just smoothly run into a smooth powder. And after grinding it, if you see, the powder is very smooth without no particles left ungrinded and the color of the curry leaves have also not changed. It is a very powerful antioxidant and it also helps in management of the diabetes. So if this gunpowder type of recipe is taken in your diet regularly, it definitely is going to give a lot of health benefits to you. Now if you see, I am going to add the red chilies and the dal mixture that we have seasoned and kept. To this I am going to add the salt that is required for this gunpowder and I am going to grind it well. And make sure you're not going to add any water to it. It is very important that it is very dry. Now if you see, our spicy curry leaves gunpowder is very much ready. We can include this in our breakfast and as well as to the rice, as I've said before. In the dosas you can sprinkle this curry leaves powder and you can have it along with your breakfast or as well as in the dinner time. Consuming curry leaves on an empty stomach is especially linked with better digestive health. So please do try this recipe at home and give your comments in the comment section of our channel. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon which is below so that you can see all my future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Keep in touch. Bye.